Hi, my name is Megan Tergano, and today I'm going to inform you about climate change that's happening around the world. And here's my audience. Without actually seeing instant change right before our eyes, the Earth is slowly unraveling, the ice caps are slowly melting, and sea levels are currently rising, and temperatures will continue to soar. An example of climate change here in San Jose was earlier this week. The temperatures went up to high 80s, which is similar to temperatures in the summer, and it's only spring. A couple months ago, there was snow in our mountains in San Jose, and it never snows in San Jose. Does anyone know what climate change is and how daily things in our lives affect it? So you ask, what is climate change? It is a broad range of global occurrence created mainly by burning fossil fuels, which add heat-trapping gases to our atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in our atmosphere has been higher, and the ability to trap heat is changing the climate. With too many heat-absorbing gases in the atmosphere, too much radiation gets trapped, causing the Earth to warm beyond its ideal temp. The temperature has risen about 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit, which is twice that it's been in the past. It's driven due to increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emissions into the atmosphere. Humans take a big part of the heat trapping of greenhouse gases by fossil fuel combustion, deforestation, and land use change. With increase in population, that means more mouths to be fed, which means more animals are being eaten, especially cows, and cows produce carbon dioxide into the air. Alongside the many cars that we drive, it pollutes the air as well. Climate change encompasses not only rising average temperatures, but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife population and habitats. The rise in temperature is causing extreme weather events like more heat waves, droughts, and wildlife affected. And here is a picture of a polar bear struggling to survive because of climate change. There was once snow, and because of climate change, there is no longer snow, and eventually this polar bear is going to die. Droughts have increased length of frost-free and growing seasons, temperature rising, which results in a reduction of soil moisture, which exacerbates heat waves. Wildlife is currently dying, becoming extinct, or moving habitats. This also causes an unbalanced food chain, and animals have to adapt accordingly, like this polar bear. While land is being affected, below sea level and things that contribute to it are being affected as well. Temperature rising equals warmer ocean water, ice melting, and ocean animals trying to survive. Here is also another picture of coral in the water. Here it's healthy, and slowly climate change is killing it because the water is too hot. Glaciers are shrinking and sea lice is retreating. The more water in the ocean, having an influx of water and potential flood. The ice is melting, which means more water flows to seas from glaciers, and ice caps and ocean waters warms and expands in volume. As the seas are warming, cold-blooded creatures are unable to survive, causing them to relocate and extinct. And here is another picture of an ice cap of a glacier in 2006. It's fully there, and 9 years later, in 2015, it's barely there. You can't even see it anymore. All in all, even though we can't firsthand see what's going on with the world, climate change is really happening and slowly changing our Earth. From extreme weather conditions, extinction of animals, and flooding, it may not be happening here, but it is happening somewhere else. Climate change has been increasing faster than it has. What can you do to change it?